Hey, what's up, tubers? Today we just got some crazy news coming from Xiaomi, who actually put out some decent devices along with phones and routers. They do a little bit of everything in the tech world. But here it is. I don't know what they doing on the cord cutting side or the streaming device side by putting out some crappy products. All right. I don't know what it is, what whoever was behind this, but I go to 9 to 5. I'm doing my little streaming and everything like that. I'm trying to check out and see if any latest news come up. So I come across this article by Ben Shun on 9 to 5. I'm about a week late because he actually released this on March 31st. 2026, and it says Xiaomi new Google TV stick has 1 gig of RAM and micro USB. Now, I don't know who is behind this, the developer or the person who actually put something like this out in 2026, but here it is. They are releasing this. I think you can buy it on eBay in the States. You can do it and get this device, but I don't know who this device is for. I kind of got a theory who this device may go to, but I would say that at the end. So you have to wait to the end. But let's go to this article here. It says, as we await Walmart's promising new Google TV stick, Xiaomi has just launched its second gen option, and it begs the question, what year is it? Now, it says the new second gen Xiaomi TV stick HD, meaning full HD, is going to be in 1080p and not 4K. And they say it is not a sequel to the company's 4K streamer that launched last year, but rather a budget-focused model. The lack of 4K can certainly be forgiven, as despite what many want you to think, there are still plenty of non-4K TVs in active use. Xiaomi, I'm hoping I'm saying this right, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it says this new streamer can output up to 1080p at 60 hertz through its built-in HDMI plug. Listen, let me say this right now. I don't think anybody is disputing the 1080p. They're not disputing that. What they're disputing is the specs, not the 1080p, because people still watch movies in 1080p. It's the 1 gigabyte of RAM, and it's also the micro USB that don't nobody use anymore. Everything is Type C. All right, pretty much 90% of everything is Type C. I don't know where they got this at. Somebody is being cheap. All right. It said it's the rest of the package that's a bit harder to accept. Xiaomi TV Stick HD second gen offers only 1 gigabyte of RAM, somehow skirting by the rules that Google established back in late 2024. So let's see what Google said back in late 24. All right. It said Google now requires 2 gigs of RAM. Google TV now requires 2 gigs of RAM. All right, that's what it says right there from Google TV. All right, so let's go back to the article. All right, I thought I hit the back button. All right, so we got it. So Google TV said, listen, if you want hours, you want to be able to get the license for our platform, you must at minimum have 2 gigs around. I'm gonna leave both of these articles just in case y'all want to read it in the comments. But it said even Google's Chromecast with Google TV HD, also limited to 1080p, offers 1.5 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, using the current Google TV experience on merely 1 gigabyte of RAM sounds like an awful experience, not to mention the fact you're also stuck with just 8 gigs of storage. It says the hardware itself looks pretty standard, including the same voice remote found on other Xiaomi's streamers, but there is one glaring flaw. This thing still uses the micro USB. That's equivalent in one's image Xiaomi's shared that sees the port with micro USB usual shape. How USB-C was skipped is a mystery, as the standard has been abundant for the better part of a decade now. I'm going to say with cord cutting, I'm going to say the last probably like, I'm going to say 3.5, 4 years, you see a lot of devices starting to swing over to Type C. Now, all of them didn't do it 3 years ago. You still have some micro USBs coming from like products like Fire Sticks and things like that. But everybody started gradually switching over. Why they giving us this, I do not know. But they said it's available in select global regions, but unlikely officially. It's unlikely to officially be sold in the U.S. All right. So I think when I did my research on this, I think this device was going at $69, a little bit higher on eBay, but I don't see anybody getting this device, at least unless you a new person and you just don't understand. I think with the specs, as far as the 1 GB of RAM, the 8 GB of storage, and the micro USB. Nobody's using micro USB unless you got like a Obama phone or some. It has to be an older smartphone that still uses it. That uses this power, um, plug. I just don't understand it. I don't know why they even did it. This was like a waste of time. I don't believe anyone in the cord cutting community is going to think about this device. Again, unless you're brand new and you just don't understand. Now, who is this device for? I think this is going to be marketed towards like hotels and certain restaurants that will use this as a image photo, some type of image photo, uh, presenting a menu. I don't think this will be for anybody that's going to put this in their home. I think this is going to be catered to like hotels who could actually use this to put their prices up and show different, you know, um, pictures of like food and things like that. You know how you go into a mom and pop's um, business, and they actually showing the menu or showing clothing and things like that. This is who this is going to be served to. I really don't think this is going to be served to anyone, or marketed for anyone to present this in their home. I think this is going to be business. When you think about it, because again, to show a picture, you don't need a powerful device. And pictures, you can probably put 1,000 pictures on here, and it's not going to eat up 8 gigs of RAM when you think about it. So you really got to dig and say, hold up, who is this device for? And it's definitely not for home use. I think this is really going to be where they market it towards business to actually present photos of menus, clothes, watches, merchandise. All right, where they're going to be able to present merchandise and give you an image. So when you walk in and you look at the television or the monitor or some type of, device that actually presents a menu, that's who it's going to be marketed for. Them right there. That's strictly where it's for. I don't know. I'm just throwing it out there, but that's what I'm assuming it's for. And so, again, this is terrible, though. I'm not going to lie to you. It's one of them damn remotes. Not remotes, but a damn moment. Not a remote, but a moment. So, again, guys, I don't know what to say about Xiaomi because they put out some nice, decent devices. Some higher end devices. It's a large company, and they again smartphones, routers, they do it all. They definitely do it all. But again, who is this for? And again, I gave you my thoughts. Listen, guys, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe because, again, I check my analytics and I'm getting people who are watching my content and they're not subscribed to the channel. please subscribe. That way it encouraged me to actually continue to put product out here, every day, sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times a day. I will push some product out there. Also, thumbs up the video. Continue to share. I love when y'all share it because, again, it's educating somebody. And last but not least, click that bell icon and select all. That way you get notified anytime I present anything on YouTube. Okay? Other than that, guys, let me know your thoughts. Do you agree with me? Do you think this is going to be presented for home use or business use? Let me know in the comment. Are you going to get this device? Would you get this device if this was the last device on Earth? I would love to hear from you. Salute. Thank you if you made it to this part, this end of this video. Big salute to you. Thank you. And I will see you on the next one, guys. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thumbs up the video, too. All right, guys, I am out. Go blue. Peace.